Rizz, that ineffable quality of smooth talk and charm isn't just for social mavens, it's also ripe for some good-natured humor. So whether you're the life of the party, or just looking to brush up your banter, here are 10 jokes and puns that'll make you the Rizz of the conversation. 1. Why did the computer go to charm school? Because it wanted to improve its resolution. 2. I told my friend he didn't understand the art of flirtation, he just couldn't grasp the concept of risk management. 3. Why was the phone a master of Rizz? Because it had smooth talk and text appeal. 4. Did you hear about the mathematician who was great at flirtation? He knew the best angles to increase his distance. 5. My coffee was flirting with me this morning, it had some serious bromance Rizz. 6. The ocean asked the beach out on a date, because it wanted to shore up its Rizz. 7. Why did the skeleton go to the party alone? Because he had no body to show off his Rizz. 8. I tried to teach my toaster the art of Rizz, but it just kept getting burned. 9. Why do trees seem so charismatic? Because they would never leave you hanging in a conversation. 10. My friend's job is to install zippers on bags, he's truly a Rizz to close expert.